Okay, so this is day 2. We will be viewing properties along the Thong Lo Ekamai area. Okay, so from day 1, right, I think the highlight was Ari, and then there was that Noble Create, but Noble Create, in my opinion, is still a little bit far off. But it's interesting because there's this grey line that's coming up. But the thing is that the grey line has not even been has not even started construction yet. So that's where if you were to buy a property in that area, right, then I'm not sure that you would see much appreciation until the grey line is completed. So that area is pretty much very residential, and people like Sean, Sean used to stay at the around that area. That's why she frequents like the malls around that area, so she's very familiar with that area. But I think overall, if you were to ask me, I would look for places like Ari. So if you guys are familiar with Thong Lo, before it became extremely popular, then Ari is just like maybe Thong Lo 10 years ago. It's quite interesting to see that quaint little eating outlet. Okay, hold on, let me flip the camera around. Okay, so it was quite interesting to see that quaint little eating outlet. So Thailand, right, they have a lot of these nice little cafes where you can hop, and it's an easy place to live. So that's the draw when foreigners are looking to settle here. So always keep that in mind. Don't just buy properties because everyone is buying, but buy them because there are actually people who can see themselves living here. Okay, so here I am at Bangkok, BTS, and we're heading off to Thong Lo.